Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for supporting my channel. And in today's video I would just want to look at how we can install a TRONMASK wallet on our Chrome browser. So as you know guys, that Tron is becoming that new trend after all these high gas fees in the ETHEREUM blockchain. So the gas fees are chasing very many people away from ETHEREUM's smart contracts majorly, and most of them are diverting their efforts to Tron. So in order to use a Tron, you need to have a wallet, like as we had the wallets in ETHEREUM, like the Trust wallet, the MetaMask wallet. So in Tron there are also many wallets. For example, there is TronLink and there is TronMask. So in this video we are going to be looking at how to install a TronMask wallet on our web Chrome browser. So we begin by searching. We can search TronMask. It is here already in the search bar, and then we can go to the first link here. So it will bring the extension and their instructions here telling us to add it to Chrome. As you can see, there are over 2,000 plus users using this wallet. So from that alone, we can see that it is secure to use. It can protect your coins properly. If you want, you can also go and look at the reviews here, what people talk about this wallet. You can do that in your free time. I'm not going to do it here right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on add extension. So it is downloading. It has been added to extension. So we can look for it here. TronMask. So after it has come, we create a new password. They are saying minimum 8 characters, and this password encrypts your private key. Make sure to remember this password as you need to unlock your wallet. So it is very important to remember this password, and so you can put the password here. So we go to create, and then they are telling us here that we save your private key. So this is my private key right now. So I'm going to, now this private key, they are telling you here that do not lose it. It cannot be recovered. And your funds, not share it. Your funds will be stolen if you use it on malicious site. So you shouldn't just share it with any other person. Someone can use this key to steal your crypto. So the reason why I'm sharing this is because this is I'm opening this wallet just for the tutorial part of this video. So you copy this link, you copy the key, and here they're saying that I've copied the key somewhere safe. I can put it on my desktop here. I'm to create a folder here, text document, and I save it here. Oh, we have stopped. Now it is taking me back. It is taking me back. It's taking me back. So after copying it, I've copied it somewhere safe. Now it opens my wallet. As you can see, this is the wallet. If you want to receive, you click on receive. It brings this barcode. To send, you enter the recipient address here, the amount you want to send, and click on send. The tokens, how many tokens do they have here? If there is nothing here. The transfers, all your transfers will be included here. Now this one is showing no transfers yet because it is a new account. All transactions will appear here. If you have to go back to our account, and you can also try to navigate everything from here. There is send, there is receive, there is export private key. You need to enter your private key here. If I'm to enter mine now, so it will appear here. In case you didn't save it there at first, you can as well get it here. And basically, so that's all that I have to say about this video. And if you're planning to use Tron as a currency in a program, so you need a Tron wallet, and TRONMASK is wallet that you can use, guys. It is very safe, and it is also very user friendly. You can use it properly. So see you guys in another video. You can feel free to share this tutorial with all your friends who want to start using Tron as a means of payment. I'll see you in another video.